Lào biết tiếng Việt không? They ask you, you know some Vietnamese?
Not really, just only xin chào.
Yeah.
Bạn tên là gì? Tôi tên là Am I right?
Yes. Tôi tên là my name is.
Tôi tên là Bayang Sa.
Wow.
Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi?
Yeah.
Tôi I can remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You know, your Vietnamese is so good.
Thank you. I have learned that one time. Yeah.
So how long you learn it?
Just one day.
One day.
One day.
day,
You're so
yeah.
talented in Vietnamese.
Oh, thank
you.
Yeah. So
I mean,
talented.
you're a teacher, right? So,
Yeah.
I mean, you learn really fast. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just one day and she
one
know
day.
a lot of words.
And
Yeah.
she can teach Vietnamese.
Yeah.
She knows
And,
a lot of it.
A little.
Yeah.
I love counting the number.
Yeah.
Let me count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7, 8, 10. Ôi,
9.
9,
Ôi.
10. 10.
That's right, correct.
10,
Correct.
20. Oh, I can't remember them all, but yeah.
Yeah.
I can count even 100.
Oh really?
Yeah, but I forgot.
Oh my god, just one day and you can count from 1 to 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's many words like tôi không biết tiếng Việt. Tôi tên là. Oh my god, you're so talented.
Thank you. So họ là nổi tiếng.
Yes, my
Yeah.
roommate is the cutest, right?
Yeah.
Miss Laos.
You
Yeah.
are cute.
She's so cute too, and she's so kind, like a sister. She has
how
a
you
sister
say?
heart.
Nong Pa, how do you say sister in Lao?
เอื้อย
Lai Lakshmi.
เอื้อยเอื้อย or เอื้อย
Ươi.
เอื้อยเอื้อย
Lai.
No, it's a o เอื้อย
Loi.
No, not ลอยอ้อยเอ้ย
Lai. Lai.
เอื้อย
Lai.
Can you say อ๋อ
Oh.
เอื้อย
Loi.
No อ๋อ
Oh.
เอื้อย
Lai.
It's
Your-
not
your
L,
tongue.
it's not L.
Your tongue doesn't move.
เอื้อย
เอื้อย
Lai. Lai.
รัศมี
Yes, that-
เอื้อยรัศมี
Lai Lakshmi. Oh, Lakshmi suruh mereka bilang hempaskan.
Oh.
Boleh nggak? Hempaskan.
hempaskan
Semua itu.
semua itu.
What's
What does that mean?
Let go of everything.
Yeah, it's
Let go of everything.
Oh.
yeah.
Lai.
เอื้อยรัศมี
Lai Lakshmi. Pa. Nong Pa.
Yeah, that's so cute.
But in Vietnam, because we call older
Sister.
people, older sisters, like we call, she has to call me older sister.
Yes.
จิ
Chị.
เอ้ย
Yeah. You know, you got
จิ
it.
เอ้ย
How old are you?
I'm 28.
I have
I'm
to
a
call you
sister.
sister.
I'm a sister,
She's my
yeah.
sister. How do you say it? Chi.
Chị ơi.
จิ
Chị
จิเอ้ย
ơi.
Chị
Yeah.
ơi.
Yes.
Chi ơi.
จิ
Yeah, that happened.
Oh. Oh my gosh, you look like 23, 24.
Really?
Guess how old am
Thank
I?
you. You are I think 23.
Yeah, I'm 21. Actually,
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
21.
I know she's 21.
Yeah, most of people
But
they're
do you
guess
know how
my
old
You are, I think, you are
18.
24,
18.
21.
No, I'm 26.
Oh, really?
26.
Oh,
96. 1996.
19.
So this
yes.
month, in January, I'm gonna be 27. So
Oh,
we're only
really?
maybe 1 year apart.
You know,
Or you're-
I'm born in December 1994,
Oh, I see.
and just
Yeah, 2
just
years.
1 month to a new
Chị.
year.
you look so
Chị,
young.
chị ơi.
Chị ơi, chị
Eh.
ơi.
Chị ơi.
I have a younger sister.
When you say sister, you say wait, hold on, let me think about it.
Mm.
Anh, em, anh,
And
an.
it's a brother, big brother.
Oh,
An.
and big brother. What about little sister? Like sister.
Little sister.
Em.
Em.
Em. Yeah, little sister. Em.
I know how to say
Em.
em.
Ha.
Yo.
Em yêu.
I love-
Em yêu anh.
M-U-N.
That means I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
How to say I love you too in Vietnamese?
Tôi cũng yêu bạn.
Tôi cũng yêu bạn.
This is a Vietnamese class this morning, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We're learning Vietnamese today.
Yeah, I love sharing the language. And what about in Indonesia? How to say
Yes,
I love you?
Aku,
Aku.
aku.
So
Aku.
short. Aku,
No, aku cinta
cinta.
Cinta.
kamu.
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 Aku
Aku
cinta.
cinta
kamu.
kamu. Aku cinta kamu. Aku cinta kamu. You know.
Dễ thương chứ. How about
Saranghe.
in your language?
In my language, khoi
Khôi.
hak
Khoi hak
chào.
Chào.
Khoi hak
Khoi
chào.
chào.
Chào. Khôi.
Hak
Hát.
chào.
Chào.
Yeah, you're so good. Can you say it?
Khoi hak chào.
Chào.
Correct. See, it's only 3 words. I love you.
Yes, I love you. That means
And your name is Chao.
Chào. Yeah, chào is you, right? Yeah. Thank you, mọi người. Language class. So we're gonna cut the live stream here, and we're gonna do something fun and make some video. Yeah. So see you guys soon.
See you.
Bye bye.
Aku cinta kamu.